Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Jaguar Motorhome redefines luxury travel by fusing executive housing comfort with supercar performance. This cutting-edge vehicle is ideal for demanding enthusiasts who value power, style, and convenience. Performance and external design motorhomes are designed by Jaguar. Its sculpted edges and aerodynamic curves reduce drag and attract attention on the road. The front is dominated by an eye-catching black mesh grille with dynamic sequential indicators and adaptive LED matrix headlamps. Retractable door handles avoid wind noise at high speeds and maintain clean lines. A class-first 5.0-liter V8 supercharged engine with 600 horsepower propels this opulent RV to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. On autobahns and winding coastal roads, an adjustable air suspension system controls ride height and damping for optimal handling and comfort. All-weather traction is guaranteed via torque vectoring and all-wheel drive. Interior design specifics. It's a stylish British hideaway, soft-touch suede upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, natural wood veneers, and hand-finished quilted leather seats adorn the roomy interior. Jaguar is known for its superb craftsmanship. In the large living area, a modular sofa with adjustable seats may be turned into a luxurious queen-size bed by just pressing a button. With a full-length glass ceiling and panoramic side windows, the space is spacious and light. Privacy is provided by a sliding partition wall. Modern kitchens can accommodate gourmet cooking, induction cooktop with built-in ventilation, a microwave with convection, smart refrigerator with canisters that regulate humidity, custom cabinets with soft-close mechanisms, and LED accent lighting, deep stainless steel sink and designer faucet, a wood table that can be folded up to accommodate 4 people. Connectivity and entertainment travel is improved by the immersive entertainment system of the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome, 50-inch OLED screen that is extremely thin. We collaborated with Meridian TM to create a 3D surround sound system, Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay, combining satellite TV with streaming. The interior is equipped with USB-C ports and wireless charging mats. Bedroom and bathroom. The spa-inspired bathroom features heated floors, brushed nickel fixtures, a backlit vanity mirror, and a rainfall shower with antimicrobial glass doors. A dedicated dressing area with full-length mirrors and plenty of wardrobe space makes getting ready easier for any occasion. Safe driving assistance, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, automated emergency braking, blind spot detection, lane keeping assistance, and a head-up display mounted on the windshield are among the standard features. In brief, the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome is an ambitious vehicle with supercar performance, vintage design, and 5-star hotel facilities. Whether traveling cross-country or over the weekend, it provides strength, prestige, and comfort for every journey.